Most people spend hundreds on smart security systems that fail the moment the power goes out. Today, we're breaking down old-school, low-tech home security tactics. No batteries, no subscriptions, just proven deterrence anyone can use. At first glance, high-tech security systems seem like the ultimate solution for protecting your home. Sleek cameras, motion sensors, and digital keypads give the impression that your house is a fortress, impenetrable to anyone with bad intentions. You might even feel a sense of pride, knowing your home is equipped with the latest technology, and that security company's sign in your yard is meant to send a clear message. Don't even try. But is that really the case? The truth is, many criminals are surprisingly tech-savvy. They know exactly how these systems work, and more importantly, how to get around them. With a simple pair of wire cutters, a Wi-Fi jammer, or even just a power outage, your expensive system can be rendered completely useless in seconds. Some burglars even carry devices specifically designed to disrupt wireless signals or cut off electricity to a home, leaving your cameras and alarms blind and silent. In fact, homes with obvious flashy electronics can actually become targets. Criminals often assume that homeowners with high-end systems feel so secure they might neglect other basic precautions. They watch for patterns, like people who always set their alarms but forget to lock a window, or who rely solely on technology and skip simple manual checks. The presence of cameras and alarms can sometimes give a false sense of security, making it easier for a determined thief to plan their entry. Overconfidence is a burglar's best friend. It leads to careless mistakes, like leaving windows unlocked, hiding spare keys in predictable places, or forgetting to secure a back door. These small oversights can make even the most high-tech home vulnerable. Criminals know to check under doormats, inside flower pots, or above door frames for hidden keys. They'll test windows and doors, looking for the one that's been left just slightly ajar. That's why redundancy is so important. A truly secure home doesn't rely on just one line of defense. If your alarm system fails, whether from a technical glitch, a power outage, or deliberate tampering, you need backup measures that don't depend on electricity or Wi-Fi. Think of security as layers: sturdy deadbolts, window bars, reinforced doors, and backup batteries for your alarms. Each layer makes it harder for someone to get in and increases the chances they'll give up before succeeding. Before you invest in another smart gadget or app, take a step back and consider what really works. Old-school physical security measures, like solid locks, dowels in window tracks, and reinforced doors, have stood the test of time. They don't need power, can't be hacked, and are often the first line of defense that criminals hope you'll overlook. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. So, ask yourself, if the power went out right now, would your home still be protected? Would your locks hold, your windows stay secure, and your family feel safe? It's time to rethink what real security means, and make sure your home is ready for anything, not just the everyday. When it comes to home security, most people think about alarm systems, cameras, or maybe even a big dog. But the truth is, the very first line of defense is your front door. Surprisingly, the front door is the most common entry point for burglars, and unfortunately, it's also usually the weakest part of your home's security. Many homeowners don't realize just how vulnerable their doors are, even if they have a solid deadbolt or a heavy door. The real weakness is often hidden in plain sight. The problem lies in the tiny screws that come standard with most door strike plates. These screws are often less than an inch long, barely anchoring the plate to the soft wood of the door frame. As a result, most doors can be kicked in with surprisingly little effort because the strike plate simply rips out of the frame. Even a strong lock can't help if the hardware holding it in place is weak. This is a detail that's overlooked in millions of homes, making them easy targets for break-ins. The good news is, you can fix this vulnerability in just a few minutes, and it costs less than a cup of coffee. All you need are a handful of 3-inch wood screws from your local hardware store. By swapping out those short screws for longer ones, you anchor the strike plate deep into the wall studs behind the frame, not just the thin trim. This simple upgrade makes it exponentially harder for anyone to force the door open, because now, They're up against the strength of the entire wall, not just a flimsy piece of wood. If you want to take your security a step further, consider installing a reinforced strike plate. These heavy-duty plates are designed to spread the force of a kick or a battering ram across a much larger area, making it even harder for the door to give way. When combined with long screws, a reinforced strike plate can turn a vulnerable entry point into a fortress. You can find these at most hardware stores, and installation is usually as simple as unscrewing the old plate and attaching the new one. With these upgrades, your door can withstand over 1,000 pounds of force, enough to stop most would-be intruders in their tracks. In fact, many police departments and security experts recommend this exact fix because it's so effective and affordable. You don't need to be a DIY expert either. Just a screwdriver or drill and a few minutes of your time can make a world of difference. And don't forget about your other entry points. Garage doors, back doors, and side doors are often even more vulnerable, especially if they're hidden from street view. Criminals love secluded spots where they can work without being seen, so make sure to reinforce these doors as well. The same simple fix applies. Long screws and a reinforced strike plate can dramatically improve your home's security all around. If you're a renter or can't make permanent changes, don't worry. There are still great options for you. Portable door braces and jammers are affordable, easy to use, and don't require any installation. Just slide them into place when you're home, and you'll add a powerful layer of protection to any door, whether it's in an apartment, dorm, or rental house. No matter where you live, a few simple steps can make your home much safer and give you real peace of mind. When you think about home security, you might picture high-tech gadgets or elaborate alarm systems. But have you ever wondered how burglars actually decide which homes to break into? The truth is, their choices are often more calculated than you might expect. Understanding their mindset can help you protect your home in ways you may not have considered. Researchers at UNC Charlotte conducted an in-depth study, interviewing hundreds of convicted burglars to get inside their heads. These interviews revealed surprising patterns in how criminals select their targets. The burglars were asked about what they looked for, what scared them off, and what made a house seem like an easy mark. One of the most consistent findings? Burglars tend to avoid homes with obvious security measures. If a house has sturdy doors, deadbolts, and visible locks, it sends a clear message. Breaking in will be difficult and risky. Signs of activity, like lights on, cars in the driveway, or even a TV flickering inside, make a home much less appealing to a would-be intruder. But here's something you might not expect. High fences and completely covered windows can actually make your home more attractive to burglars. Why? Because these features provide privacy, allowing criminals to work without being seen by neighbors or passers-by. A tall fence or thick hedges might keep out prying eyes, but they can also shield a burglar from view. Lighting is another major factor. Well-lit yards, especially those with motion-activated lights, are a huge deterrent. Burglars prefer to operate in darkness, where they can move unseen. A sudden flood of light can startle them and draw unwanted attention, making your home a much less tempting target. Even small details matter. Gravel driveways that crunch underfoot, squeaky gates, or wind chimes on the porch can all signal that someone is home or might hear them approaching. These little touches can make a burglar think twice before attempting a break-in. Alarm systems are effective, but only when combined with other deterrents. A security camera or alarm sign alone might not be enough if the rest of your home looks vulnerable. Layering your defenses, locks, lights, noise, and visible security creates a much stronger barrier. Ultimately, the goal is to make your house look like more trouble than it's worth. If a burglar sees multiple obstacles, good lighting, sturdy locks, noisemakers, and signs of activity, they're far more likely to move on to an easier target. By understanding how burglars think, you can outsmart them and keep your home safe. Landscaping can protect you or make you a target. CPTED's rule. Keep bushes under 3 feet, tree canopies above 10. Low shrubs and high trees mean clear sightlines for you and your neighbors. Overgrown hedges give burglars cover, trim them back. Use thorny bushes under windows for extra deterrence. Well-lit, open yards and motion lights make your home less appealing to criminals. Studies show neighborhoods with good visibility have lower crime rates. Your yard is your first line of defense. Keep it clear and visible. Burglars hate dogs. Any dog that barks is a wild card. Surveys show barking dogs are a top reason criminals skip a house. Can't have a dog? Use motion-activated barking devices or a beware of dog sign. Even a big dog bowl on the porch creates doubt. It's all about signaling unpredictability and risk. If you have a dog, let them be heard. It's their job. Criminals want easy jobs. Give them anything but that. Empty houses are easy targets. Make yours look lived in. Use cheap outlet timers for lights and radios to create activity. Ask neighbors to collect mail and park in your driveway when you're away. Leave shoes or boots by the door to suggest someone's home. Mix up your schedule. Unpredictability is key. Criminals want quick wins. If they doubt, they'll move on. Outsmart burglars with simple, creative tricks. No big budget needed. No alarm or camera beats a watchful neighbor. Neighborhood watch programs work. Criminals hate them. Connected neighbors notice when something's off. Even a group chat can cut crime dramatically. Let neighbors know when you're away and return the favor. Include everyone: renters, seniors, apartment dwellers. More eyes on the street means less crime. Neighbors are your ultimate backup. Security is about layers. Lots of small defenses, not one big gadget. Every layer adds effort and risk for a criminal. 5 cheap deterrents: lights, locks, landscaping, timers, signs. Beat one expensive camera. Layers are resilient. If one fails, others stand in the way. Criminals want easy jobs. Hassle makes them quit. Walk around your home and add layers wherever you can. Every small step adds up to real peace of mind. This isn't about fear. It's about practical, affordable steps anyone can take. Start with 1 or 2 tactics today. Every improvement brings more peace of mind. Like, subscribe and share your own tips below. Let's build a safer community together. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.